Meaning of graduate school.
Graduate school.
Graduate school.
Graduate school.
Graduate school. Graduate school refers to a post-secondary level of education that follows the completion of an undergraduate degree. It offers advanced study in a specific field, and typically grants students with a master's degree or doctorate upon completion. Graduate programs usually focus on research, specialized knowledge, and critical thinking skills development, and may be designed for students pursuing academic or professional goals. Graduate education provides opportunities for personal growth and career advancement, as well as the ability to contribute to society through discoveries and advancements in one's chosen field.